slash hair install from, y'all know I say Unice, but I really think it's Unice. Why has somebody confirmed that? Today we have a 6x4 straight bob, 12 inches. And it's doing what it needs to do. Okay. So this wig is Glueless. And it's supposed to be easy 1-2-1-2, like a quick pop on. But me personally, like, I don't really dig Glueless wigs because I just feel like it's gonna fall off. I did a little extra too because when you receive it, it's originally in like a middle part. Me personally, I'm not rocking no middle part bob. Like, come on now, I can't. So I had to do a little extraness to it, styling it, pressing it, a little extra plucking, whoop-de-woo, which you will see in the next couple clips. But before I get to the review, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the unboxing and the installation. So let's go ahead and look at these. Okay, so y'all know they always come through with the little goodies inside of their packages. And they had the nerve to give me this silk robe. Oh my goodness, y'all just know I put it on. Ain't gonna lie, I kinda did my thing on this. I ain't never did this before. Okay, period. What's your name, B.O.B.? So they calling you Bob. Stop playing. You know I'm not for the Bob. Alright, so this is my third day with the wig on, and it still looks good. As I already said, like, I'm not a fan of Glueless wigs, so I'm not going to tell a tale. But I did put a smidge of Gots to Me underneath my lace. But the lace isn't bad. They knew what they was doing. And even if you don't want to put the glue on, like, it's still gonna take 30 seconds. If you want to put the glue on, it's still gonna take 30 seconds. Like, all you gotta do is put your wig band on and then call it a day. It don't get tangled or nothing, but the only thing that bothers me is it's probably just the length and the cut of the hair, because like it starts to get bendy super quick. And usually a lot of bobs do that, but this hair does it fast. I do wish the cut was a little different. I probably could have cut it myself, but I knew I wasn't gonna have it on long, so I wasn't about to do too much than I already was doing. It really wasn't much to this wig, especially since it's only a closure. The wig link will be linked in my description. Go ahead and get you one of these. They got different colors. They got red, black, and I think it's another brown one besides this one. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure y'all tune into my other videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.